Hello everyone. Today I have made us something special feature on the Webflow website. Actually, here you can see the custom form, and this form data is going to my Excel sheet without any third-party API or any third-party things. It's going to Google Sheet directly, and to see the messages you need not open any Google Sheet. Otherwise you can create a new page in your website, and you make them password protected, and you can see all the messages here. Let's check how it's going on. Okay, this is test one, and this is test at the rate of Gmail. Okay, this is test message, and let's send it. Okay, the message is successful. Here you can see there is no delay. Just it seems that we are putting the data here directly here actually. Okay, and now we can see here, if we refresh the page, here you can see the message is appearing here. Okay, so the time is showing here, the date is showing here, the message is showing here, email is showing here, and the name is showing here. Okay, you can fully customize all the data according to you. Okay, and in the next video I will show you how to modify the data from here. Actually here you will be able to modify this data. That means you can create custom dashboard with Google Sheet and Webflow or any platform that takes custom code actually. Okay, here I have applied some custom code. Okay, and here I have applied some custom code, and that's all. Okay, thank you very much.